Hey there, welcome back. I am Akil from Prime FX, and today we are gonna talk about the two robust Blender add-ons, which are Boxcutter and the hardops. We will basically discuss Boxcutter in this, and next we will discuss many things. These things are not coverable in one or two tutorials because it is a wide lecture, but these two add-ons I'm sure you can grab them very easily, and I just grabbed them in 2 or 3 months, so now you can easily grab uh, to go in the box cutter menu or in the hardops menu. You can just press alt and w. You can see here is the hardops and here is the box cutter, and now you can draw anywhere you want on the object, because we have set the surface object. We will just wherever we draw. Now you can see it is not drawing any. So if we press A, it will, okay, sorry, I am getting very quickly there. So now press select this box and just draw the shape. Now whatever you want, if you go out of this, you can see, let me show you. If I go out, you can see it changes the surface to view, and if I draw here, it keeps to view or to object. Now you can just select the view permanently, so it will draw from the view we are watching from. Now you can see here it is drawing from view. It is very useful and very handy, and you can add from cursor. You can see it is just drawing from cursor value, and there is another world. So now it is just drawing or adding the our box or cutting from the world view. You can see here, and now I want to just delete all the booleans I have added. Now there is, I want to talk about this. We have covered this. What is this? This is a surface where we wanna add our cuts or our booleans. You can see now we have covered this. Now I am going to talk about this. What are these menus and how we can reach them. So if we don't want to go there, we have a pie menu by pressing Control D. So now we have the same menu, but very much precise. So now you can see here we have the same these options. Where are the options? Here we have, I think these are our look at these are these options, you can see, and we have this option here, and we have option this. So by pressing Control D, you can very quickly go there. So now if we have all the options we saw here in the control panel. We have your mirror, array, and bevel, and solidify. So now I will talk about these menus, but I'm going to just select circle, and now you can draw a circle here. Now it will add a circle boolean to this. And now again go to box cutter, and now we are going just check this box, and now we are going to n-gon. Now we are in the n-gon mode. What is this? This is just you can see, you can say it is an annotation. So you can add or press control wherever you want. So now if you don't press control, it will go straight anywhere, but if you press control, you can move it anywhere. So now this is what, okay, now click, and now you are good to go. Now if I want again go here and here, and okay, now you can see double click, and by double clicking I got this. Now I think I am basically done here. So I am done with this, but I am gonna go to the some other menus. You can see draw line, wedge or grid. I'm not gonna talk about grid. So you can see grid, it usually uses grid to add, or you can see here it uses grid. So if you wanna go, this is basically box menu. You can see it is adding just a box. Okay, okay, now go to just this is our key. Okay, sorry, I will talk about later. So I'm not gonna add a grid. So now what is wedge? Now draw a box here, here, and just go some, give some depth. And now you can see we have drawn, and if we press W, we can add a wedge cut. Now if we go back, ever scroll, you can see we have our wedge cut now. And now we have talked about wedge. Now we are going to talk about draw line. It is the same menu, but it will draw the same box, but it will start from drawing a line, and then it will if you press left mouse button, and you can draw a line, and then if you release, you will now get a box, the same box. If we press W, we will get some wedging. So now I think we are just covered the box completely. Now this is not a circle is not a another topic, long topic. You can see it is again drawing a line and just creating a circle. And now if we go to just delete it, you can see it is just drawing a line. If we go here and go here, and you can see it is drawing a wedge cut here. So now we are covered this, and now we are going to cover the sub menu of what n-gon. So now we are going to cover the subtype of n-gon. So now it is a wedge. We don't want wedge. Cyclic. What is cyclic option? Whenever, wherever you draw, it will be a cyclic, I mean cyclic animation. So it will always be connected to the end, or it will create a closed shape. And now go to another option, which is lasso. This is the lasso of Wonder Woman. You can see here you can add lasso tool. Okay, I have a very beautiful design here. Now did you see I just added a lasso, the lasso of Wonder Woman, and she had this. And I think I should upload this model on the Sketchfab tagging model or box hunted by Wonder Woman. So now I think we are done with this. Now I wanna just talk about more what is these menus. I wanna talk about these menus. I am not going to get these from here, rather I will use shortcuts. So now just go to box, Control D, and then press box, and now I am going to draw a box. Now here I am just, you can see cut. If we see here, it is cutting it is adding cutting boolean. Now if we just press X, it is adding a slice boolean, and if we press again X, it is intersect. So the geometry, only geometry that will intersect will be left behind. And here you can see inset boolean, and if we press cut, so now these are these menus. If we press I, you can see it is insetting and offsetting it values. Now if we press T, what is doing, this is setting the setting the value of inset value. You can see it is setting the inset value of inset value. Wow, what, I should be a professor. So now you can see here we have our so now if we go here and add a box and add a boolean, and now if we go to X, press X, and we can cycle through the method of cutting. Press X, you can see it is slice. Press X, it is intersect. Press X, it is inset. And if we press T I, you can see it is just, we can just inset our values. And if we press T, we can just add thickness or thickness to our values or to our box, cutting box. So now we are here. We should now go press Q and in the hardops menu, to go to hardops menu and add okay, what is happening here? Okay, now, and it should have smaller bevel value. Now we got bad shading, but we can we don't, we are just watching a tutorial. We are talking about just hardops main methods or main functions. So now here we have talked about, now I am going to talk about this. What is this? Now add a box here, and now we want to cut this geometry, not like this, rather we want to cut the geometry. Now go, if you are familiar with the default knife tool of Blender, you can press K. Now okay, where is that happening? You can see, okay, now go to, you can see we have our cut to our mesh. You can see here we have some. Now so guys, this is for today.